entrance room. What should be the scene before the opening?
This is the scene before the opening.
All right.
Three, two, one. Train of my existence.
All right. I finished all the deeds. It was like nipple. I chance to put strawberry coat with my blood. There was a little of my sweat. In the truck of the tears I never shed.
I've been wondering about this. What's your favorite vehicle? A car. Mine is a train. Did you just say what I think you said? What? It's not like it's a swear. Don't. Stop anxiety.
I'm gonna do it. No. Wait. No. No.
I'd like to get on the train. You wanna get on board? Yes. You can get $98 a day if you apply to this job. With an additional 178 cents? Yes. Heck. Sign me up. Enjoy your ride.
99 bottles of beer on the wall.
12 hours later. That was how I hated that train. It's the bane of my existence. What was the company's name again? Stoveworks. Let's revisit that place. Oh no. Here we are.
Oh my goodness.
Goodbye. See you in the train. Oh crap, here we go again. Is this train bad? They've kinda improved. Does old man Skeeter McGee appreciate this? I think he's reading something. He's kinda busy, I suppose.